All right, so we came back to SeFood City. But the last time we came, we couldn't even get anything to eat. The line was so long. So we're gonna see if we can try something at SeFood City. All right, so let's walk in. All right, so we can already see some things have changed. Let's go in here. They moved some stuff. What are they making here? Oh, dumplings. Okay. What's going on here? Pig? Whoa. Oh, that's good. Mmm. What is this? Is that Spam sushi? Eggs. Alright, so they got hot dog rolls. Never had one. I guess that's a corned beef sandwich. That must be grilled pork. What is this? Pork sausage, I guess? I don't know what pork floss is. I guess they're cooking these in a bit. Or maybe they're already cooked. I don't know. They don't look cooked. But that's telling you what it is. Let's see what else they got. Alright. Look at that. I guess that's their grilled fish. Some kind of shrimp over there. Let's see. Put some sauce on it. Alright, we're gonna walk into a little bakery here. Man, this place got everything. Salted egg. Huh. I don't know. But I do want it. Man, this stuff looks good. Never had this kind of pastries. Oh, cream. I like these cream buns. Look at that. Look at that, Eva. Look at it. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Alright, this one. Interesting. Okay, so I just found out those little pies I was looking at with the salted egg and all that, those are popular around Christmas. So no wonder I never see them ever. So maybe I'll grab one. We'll see. Alright, and we're in the back of the line here with the food and stuff. I guess this is their main cooking line. Ooh, that looks good too. What is this stuff? Okay, that's a serious egg roll or something. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys. This is what I typically get when I go down to Galveston. Blue crabs. But, let's see what else they got. This is actually tilapia. Huh. They're real fish. Redfish. Allegedly. Here's a drumfish. Wow. Big, big fish. Atlantic Lane snapper. And that's a striped bass over there, I'll tell you that much. Okay, this is a redfish. Red snapper. What is this one? Strawberry grouper. Look at that. Oh, it feels pretty smooth. Poor guy. Jackfish. Don't jack with him. Oh, this one feels real smooth. What is this? Golden Pompano. Oh, because the golden tail. Oh, shit. Alright, look at this big fish. So that was golden pompano with the golden tail. Huh. Catfish over there. More catfish. I think they have yes, and this is flounder. These are easy to catch. Come up to the shallow waters in Galveston, usually at Seawolf Park. And you really just need like the little stick. There's this little pole you can use and just kind of stab it, I guess, and pick it up. A lot of people get their limit in the first couple hours, but you got to go at 3, 4 in the morning to get yourself some flounder. A lot of people really like flounder. All right. You can buy octopus, jumbo squid. Look at that. Big squid there, buddies. Still have the eyes and everything. Make some serious calamari. It's the octopus. What is this? Some kind of steaks, fish. And this is one I've never seen. Maybe you've seen it. Not me though. Red shrimp. Huh. There's another one I've never caught. A milkfish. Milkfish. I guess they fly these in from somewhere and look, fresh caught. Scad. And moonfish. Never caught one of them. This is Indian mac. Indian mac. A butterfish. What makes this a butterfish? I wonder what you do with these little tiny fish. Baby bonita. This is a tuna. Will it? This is a red tail Basilia. Oh, you can eat all kinds of fish here. In case you don't want the whole fish, make like soup. A fish head soup. There's actually meat in there. Is this salmon head or something? I don't know. Look, Eva, you want some of that? You good? You can make a good seafood soup. Now, this one I definitely have never caught. Here's a rabbit fish, even. Does he hop around in the ocean? Man, he's big. He's a giant fish, man. And here's a parrotfish. Apparently you can eat these. I had one of these in an old aquarium. And the parrotfish I had ate all the other fish. I didn't know it wasn't a good idea to put them together. Because I came home from dinner. I was like, hey, I'm missing like 2 fish. And came home again the next day from work and said, I'm missing another fish. And the only one that was there was the parrotfish. So I put 2 and 2 together. I was looking everywhere. I was looking on the ground. I was like, well, maybe they jumped out of the aquarium, but the aquarium's closed. Well, I didn't know what happened. Maybe they packed their bags. White perch. And then this one, a black pomfret or pomfret. All right. Only seen this at one other spot, and it was by my house at the Hong Kong food market. But it's been a while. You can get balut eggs here at SeFood City. If you don't know what a balut egg is, look it up. It's interesting. I'm not gonna eat it. You got salted duck eggs and then balut eggs. We're looking at this coconut juice by Pamana. It's just passing on the Filipino life, cherished traditional flavors. And then you get to the bottom. Cancer and reproductive harm. What in the hell? So we're gonna pass on this one, guys. What is in here that could cause cancer and reproductive harm? Is it the antioxidant? don't know. If you don't want to slice your hot dogs for your spaghetti, I guess. It's a spaghetti ready hot dogs even. Let's see, doesn't have a cancer warning. Oh, this is how they look. They're just sliced up dogs. I don't see anywhere on here that it's going to give you cancer, so go ahead and buy this one, guys. I love it. You know my penchant for Kung Fu movies. I got Kung Fu peanuts. Love it. Here's something I've never seen. Cheesy cooking creamer. I wonder if you use that for spaghetti. Spaghetti sauce. In a bag. Filipino recipe. I wonder what it tastes like. Huh. And there's their mayonnaise. Is this a... Oh yeah, it's a squeeze bottle, but they put it in a plastic bag for it. Here's my favorite one. Kewpie mayonnaise. Let's see. Why is that a Kewpie? I don't know. Pretty neat. Like Kewpie mayonnaise. Big ass jar. And if you like those ramen noodles that Bulldog makes, or Bulldog, however you say it, they have just their sauces, and then kimchi ketchup. Huh. Maybe these are really good chips. I don't know what's going on in this package, but it's crazy. You can get your own barbecue chicken sticks. They also have pork barbecue, more chicken barbecue. I guess they're different seasonings. I'll say barbecue chicken. What's this one? Pork barbecue, monster garlic. I don't know what that flavor is. It's probably really good. Huh. This one's got skewers. They're all about 15 bucks. 18 bucks. I don't know what chicken inasal is. Let's see. Ingredients. Brown sugar. Oh, okay. Vinegar. Apple yogurt flavor. It's a sparkling water. That don't look like Dragon Ball Z. I don't know who these guys are. I know that's Sailor Moon. I guess that's Sailor Moon still. I've seen that guy. Seen that guy. Seen that guy. Mother, it's appetizing Japanese omelet, and it is a frozen baked egg roll. I might have to maybe try one of these. Waxy corn. Something else I've never seen. This is a cooked, stuffed, farm-raised milkfish. Don't know what it's stuffed with. They have different kinds of lays here. This is a seaweed Lays. I'm not a fan of seaweed, but if you like seaweed Lays or just seaweed in general, I'm sure you'll love these. I do love the packaging on this one. Look at this guy. Man, spicy, sweating, thumbs up. This girl really likes the rice cakes, hot sauce. And then our Super Mario. What's he got? Big pasta with cheese. Frozen durian. Now, I got an old video where I got a fresh durian. It smelled a little worse than it tasted. It was not bad. It was kind of a custardy thing. Yeah, you cut it up and it looks somewhat like that. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in there. And there's usually like a split in there, but I got a big one and it was crazy. What is this? Durian meat. Okay. Yes. Ultraman Cheetos. Man, that is so cool. I'm just going to buy it because of the bag. And then they got the crazy Chester Cheeto. What is this? Chicken flavored Cheetos? dry peas. Let's see. They're not dry after all. There's water in there. Never had fried sardines. What is this? Dried fish. Now, I had snakehead fish. Ugh. I'll never do that again. Ooh, black beans. If I was to try one of these. It's a beefy flavored fish, and then there's black bean sauce, sweet and sour sauce. Only the second time I've seen this. That translates to cat tongue. Oval-shaped butter cookies. That's what it is. Okay. That's what they are. Oval-shaped butter cookies. They just call them cat tongues. I guess because they remind them of cat tongues. They got cheese curls for boys and cheese girls. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Cheese girls. Cheese, I can't say it. Cheese curls for girls. Yes. Thank you, Eva. All right. This potato. What is he doing? What is he doing? Is that a camera? He's taking a picture of me? Taking a picture of him? Huh. Alright. Alright, so I did get the Ultraman Cheetos. We're gonna see if they're ultra good. We got the spicy chicken ramen buldak. Oh yeah. My daughter, I know she loves. No? Okay. Well, in my mind, somebody's going to try this. We're going to see what that's all about. I've never had fried sardines in a can. I've had sardines. And I think we got a couple other things. We got one. That. Yes. Instant noodles with black bean sauce. Real sauce and dish. It's rich taste. I guess so. Okay, whatever this is. The cat head has a spoon. What's happening? I don't know. Maybe it's for coffee. I don't know. Anyway, we got that and a little rice cooker. Anyway, guys, thank you for coming. And we'll see you in the next one. Maybe I should try these Ultraman Cheetos. Okay, so I'll open the Ultraman Cheetos. They already look a little different. Let's see. Go in on the Ultraman Cheeto. See, it's different. It's not as orange. It's not Cheeto flavored. Almost like a sweet and beef type flavor. Maybe this explains it. I'll look on the back. And there's a big piece of meat and a Cheeto. Let's see what these things say. Steak seasoning. Okay. Anyway, it's not bad. Not bad. Plus, it's got Ultraman on the front, so it's got to be good for you, right? Anyway, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for coming along. Bye.